Phase 2, when we're starting to see degenerative change, means it's been there for a decade. That takes 1 to 3 years to restore normal function. Phase 3, 2 to 4 years. Beyond that, you got to work on this forever because there's so much damage going on. So the key is don't let that happen. But look for the warning signs in yourself and others because people in your life need your help. And if you don't tell them, who will? If you don't tell them maybe you should see a chiropractor, hey, I know you've been doing all these things and going on all these doctor visits. Have you thought about seeing a chiropractor? Most people will be like, no, I've never done that before. Oh, I went to a chiropractor once and they cracked my neck and I never went back. Well, they need to see someone who's going to take an x-ray, who's going to have a plan, who's going to get to the cause of the problem, who's going to help them in that health journey. That's what we do here in the office. And chiropractors are the only doctors trained to detect and correct subluxation. Not your neurologist, not your orthopedist, not your physical therapist, chiropractors only. That's what we focus on 100%. When you're here to get adjusted, our 100% focus is correcting and reducing subluxation so your body works better. And you do that for the rest of your life.